in the Department of the Vocational Skill Development of our university, a delegate from the Japan came, and we were having a good discussion. There also I put the same question. Around 20 students of the Department of the Vocational Studies have recruited recently by the Japanese company in their the companies, especially the health sector and the tourism sectors and others. And at the end, I was just simply asking the one particular question. That is, since you have recruited around 20 of our students, do they maintain the time? Because we here, especially here in Manipur, we never maintain the time in the class, in the any of the program, and so and so. So I simply put this question and both these questions to them, and their reply is, initially they are having a tough time, but slowly they are adjust with the time punctuality of Japanese. Because in 2016 I went to Japan and they have maintained in the airport also the door. They said that 1 p.m. it will come and 1 p.m. serve the vehicles come. And even the program started at the time and without looking at the vice chancellor or director, nobody is there. Simply they started the international conference and the door. So that I like it. And in the same way, here in the department also I used to maintain even in the classroom 10 means 10. Even 1 minute late means he or she will be outside the classroom. And one of the students, she was not in a position to allow her enter in my classes, and later on I came to know that she felt that on that day she wanted to commit suicide. And now she is the Dean of Medilane University, Kolkata, Assam. So that way maintenance of the time, and especially what Yvonne also rightly mentioned about our Narasimha temple is maintaining, whether Chief Minister is there or whether Prime Minister is there, doesn't matter, they maintain the tent in the serving the prasad also for the meal for the Narasimha temple. So here also the same thing, though the program has started late, the morning session, and that has impact on our program also. So we are having only 1 hour. And we're having the 5 resource persons. So I'm giving only 8 to 9 minutes only per resource person. And we're having a galaxy of the resource person. I just wanted to mention about one is the Mr. Yunam Sanajawa Director, MNP's partner of the company Singapore Startup and Entrepreneurship Ecosystem and Experience in Singapore vis-a-vis India. He will be delivering on this topic. And then again, another is Mr. Erosil Namarapon, co-founder, Nivya Consultancy, managing startup unit successfully and experience of the AI and IoT's related sectors. Dr. Rameshwari Yunam, Assistant Professor, Department of the Zoology, and also she has awarded so many young scientists awards and medals. So, and also she is working in the field of the fisheries, how to cope up and how to be startup in the field of the fisheries. So again, she has been invited to deliver a lecture on that, or provoking the deliberation on the prospect of entrepreneurship through aquaculture in Manipur. And the fourth one is Dr. Rajiv Kanabam, lead Manipur Technology Innovation Hub, technology-based startup and funding opportunities for Manipur. This is the topic he will be delivering. And the last one is Mr. Birdas Singh, Company Secretary, NSDPL, Manipur State, that is the distribution company limited, director limited, company formation and a legal requirement for startup units. And here the question is, all these topics are very much related, and if we give the half an hour time, and it will be more convenient and more for provoking also, but due to the paucity of the time, due to the time constraint, here I am giving only 7 to 8 minutes, and at the end of the maximum 10 minutes, so that 10 into 5 is 15 minutes, and at the last 10 minutes we will have a thorough discussion with all of us. And my humble request to all the resource person is, no need to go through in detail, just provoke them, just irritate them, the listener, so that they will throw questions, throw stone to you, and reciprocally you can answer those questions thrown by our participants. Similarly, our participant also, because simply our Manipuri society is a very silent society. They feel that, oh, simply attending without asking single questions, that should not be there. You try to ask some question and hope that you get good listening, not hearing. Hearing and listening is different. You good listening and try to put up some of the questions and ask them to a particular resource person so that he or she will try at their best level to answer and make you happy. So without wasting the time, just I will request the first resource person